Hi, good evening. I'm Gia Abad. I'm the sales leader for Fujifilm cameras. So today we're launching the X100S and the X20 into the market. They are our newest addition to our X series lineup. So these are the two cameras. This is the X100S. And then it came after the X100. It was a very popular product.
So it's the successor to the X100, a very popular compact pro camera.
Yes, that's correct.
With a fixed lens and an APS-C sensor.
Yes.
So this is one of the this is an upgrade to the original X100.
That is correct.
Right. And
okay, and then next is we have the X20.
Right.
Again, it is the successor of the X10. Also a very popular camera in the market when it came out.
So the X10 was like a little brother to the X100 before. And it had a zoom lens, a fixed zoom lens, the
same that we have here.
A very fast fixed zoom lens with a 2/3 sensor.
That's correct.
Right. So this is a Enthusiast compact level, and the X100S is for the higher end Enthusiast level to replace the original X100.
That is correct.
Right.
So
tell us about the X100.
Okay, we're gonna start with the X100.
Right.
The X100S, again, as mentioned earlier, is for enthusiasts. I would say that the market of this would be the street photographers.
Right.
It's very compact, it's very lightweight, it's very portable.
Right.
It has a fixed lens of 35mm f2.0.
Right.
It has a 16 megapixel camera. So it's very compact. We've improved the sensor actually. The X100 had the X-Trans CMOS, and then this one has the X-Trans CMOS 2.
So it's been upgraded into another generation of X-Trans CMOS, right?
And this is the first generation of cameras that comes out with the new sensor.
Okay.
Okay, so what it features is a very fast focusing speed. In fact, it's the fastest in the world.
Okay.
So, yeah, so if you look here, it also has the hybrid viewfinder, the same one that the X100 had.
Alright, so this is an upgraded viewfinder. How many pixels is the viewfinder? How big is it?
It's actually 0.48 inches. That's the size of the
viewfinder,
and then it's 2.36 million dot.
Right, so that's an upgraded viewfinder from the OVF from the old one, which had 1.44 million dots. This is now a 2.36 million dots. Obviously, you can still change from the optical and the electronic viewfinder
with this toggle.
With the switch right here. I believe the switch was also upgraded recently.
It was also upgraded. The old switch was just like a straight line.
Right.
So now it's more ergonomic.
I did notice that was slightly harder to toggle than this one.
It was. So now it's easier. So we made it more ergonomic for our customers.
Right.
So the next thing that we'd like to feature is the LCD. It's 2.8 inches with a 460,000 dot.
Right, so that's
it's
a
very
high
bright.
resolution LCD, 460,000 dots. So basically, also similar to the X100, it's made of magnesium alloy. It's very sturdy.
Yes.
Also very compact and very indiscreet or discreet.
It's very discreet.
Sorry.
We actually kept also the vintage look of the camera because we found that it's what most of our consumers really like about our products. It's the look and feel of the camera. It's very vintage, again, the look. It's very classic, but inside is a very powerful processor and sensor.
Alright, so this is the X100S. How can guys get it, and how much can they get it, and where can they get it from, and when?
Okay, so this product will be available in the market around end March. It will be priced at 60,000 pesos. So and then it will be available in our dealers, YKL, Camera House, SM Department Stores, Camera World, and others. Okay, and this is the Fujifilm X20.
Right.
Again, it succeeds the X10. That was the older
very
model.
Very popular enthusiast compact.
Yes. It's still very compact. It still has the 4x zoom over there.
And
so it's still manual zoom.
Sort of the unique on and off.
Yes. So to turn it on,
lens.
you just you turn that.
Right.
Turn it off. You just So we'll turn it off. And then to turn it on, we just twist it again.
So no need to press any buttons or
and then it's a very fast startup.
Right.
So that's actually what is really great about this camera. What we say is that you never miss a moment with an X10 or an X20.
Right.
Because once you turn it on, once you turn the knob, it turns on.
Right. I believe you also upgraded the processor and everything.
Yes. So now
the boot up times and stuff.
Yes. So the processor now is 2/3 inch processor, X-Trans CMOS 2 as well, the same as the X100S.
Right.
Same processor and sensor as the X100S. So it has a 28 to 112 millimeter lens.
Similar to the same zoom lens as the X10.
Yes.
Also has the very fast f2 to 2.8 aperture from
That is correct.
From wide to tele.
That's correct.
Right.
That is correct.
Yeah.
And also we have the advanced viewfinder here with it has a digital trans panel.
Right. So this is a new upgrade to the X20. The X10 did not have this.
Yes.
The X10 only had a ton of viewfinder with no information. Right now, the X20 has information. We can't really see it from the camera, but it does overlay some information, shutter speed, aperture, and focus point, and stuff like that. So that is a major upgrade to the X20. Obviously, there are other upgrades like the processor, image quality, and stuff like that. What is what kind of LCD are we looking at back here?
We are looking at the 2.8-inch LCD,
right,
with 460,000 dots.
Right, so it's about the same as the 100S.
Yes,
and,
it is the
also
same as the
very
100S.
high quality.
Yes, it's also very bright. If you can see it right there. We're actually in black and white right now. That's the film simulation that the X20 also has. It also records video at 1080p.
Right. So
the same as the X100S.
This is one of the Enthusiast compact cameras that are cheap, but can do 1080p, 60 frames per second, I believe.
Yes, that is correct.
Yeah, there you go. So yeah, also build quality is almost the same as the X100. It's slightly smaller than the X100 and the X100S.
Yes.
But it's still made of aluminum, magnesium alloy, and a lot of very durable parts here, and good Fujinon lens, obviously.
And the X10 was only available in black. So with the X20, we now have two colors, the black and the silver.
That is the best upgrade to the X20.
Yes, so now it's available in two colors, it's black and silver.
Right.
The one that you're looking at right now is the silver.
Yes.
Also, it has some of the same features as the X100S. It also has the multiple exposure, which is again very popular. Only the X Pro 1, the X Pro 1, XE1, X100S, and the X20 can do the multiple exposure as of the moment.
All right. So this is the Fujifilm X20, the newest enthusiast level compact camera from Fuji. Tell us when can they get it and how much can they get it for?
Again, this camera will be available in the market end March, and it will be available at 32,000 pesos.
All right, so that is both the Fujifilm X100S and the Fujifilm X20. Look for it in any accredited retailers of your Fujifilm products.
Yes, and please like us on Facebook.
There you go.
Fujifilm PH.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, and as always, if you liked the video, please press the like button below. Add it to your favorites and or share it to your friends. If you got something to say, drop a comment in the comment box as well. Of course, more importantly, you should hit the subscribe button on top. This will keep you up to date with our new uploads and helps us out tremendously too. That's it guys, see you next video.
Guys, don't forget to watch the Big Time Show.